Good morning, children. I hope you all are safe and fine. And I hope that you might have utilized your summer break at the fullest. And so now it's the time for your mock test paper and PT1. And in your syllabus, there are two chapters, the last lesson and the Tiger King. So in this video, I am going to just revise the first chapter of Flamingo, the last lesson. But apart from summary or telling you the story, it's my humble request to you all that please read the chapter twice. Okay? Though I am going to describe you each and everything, even the smallest thing of the chapter, but still it's very necessary for you to read the chapter. Again, I am just requesting you to read the chapter, the last lesson. So, in this chapter, we are going to read about a boy named Franz. Okay? But before that, let me tell you that what is the setback. France had been defeated by Prussia in the Franco-Prussian War. Okay? And Alsace and Lorraine had been handed over to Prussia. Means what happened? There was a war between France and Prussia, and France was defeated. And there are two name of the town, Alsace and Lorraine, and they had been handed over to Prussia. So let's see that how the students and the other citizens who identify themselves as being French, okay, how they had not valued their own mother tongue. So let's start with it. The narrator, Franz, was worried as he started late for school from home. He was so anxious, he was also very anxious about facing his teacher, M. Hamel, who was to question the class about participles. So, what happened? Franz is a narrator, okay, and he was very late for school. And at the same time, he was very anxious, he was very afraid to face his teacher, M. Hamel. Why? Because M. Hamel was going to take test of participle, a topic Franz did not know anything about. So he has not revised, he don't know anything about participles. So he was very much afraid. He thought of running away and spending the day outdoors as it was warm and bright. So what he thought? He thought to bunk the class, okay? And he thought to run away and spend the beautiful day. The warm and the day was very warm and bright. So he thought to just spend the day in the nature. He noticed the birds were chirping and the Prussian soldiers were drilling. Drilling means practicing in the sawmill. So what he noticed that the birds were chirping and the Prussian soldiers were practicing. All this seemed much more interesting than studying participles. So he thought these things tempted him a lot. These things tempted him. Birds were chirping and the soldiers were drilling. So these things just tempted him a lot in spite of learning the chapters or learning or studying participle. He thought to bunk the class. However, he refused to give in to temptation and hesitant off to school. But obviously, he can't do like this. So he just refused to his temptation. He has controlled himself and then he had just hurried down to school. On his way to school, he crossed the town hall where there was a crowd in front of the bulletin board. So when he was just in hurry to reach to school, At that time, what he saw, that there was a huge crowd in front of the bulletin board. Bulletin board is a notice board. The news displayed there was at times about the lost battles or the drafts or the orders of commanding officer. So whatever news they were getting of the war, it may be losing their battles or the draft or the order or any orders from the commanding officer, whatever message or the news they were getting through the bulletin board. He recalled that for the last 2 years the news displayed there had been unwelcome. So he recalled that whatever from last 2 years, whatever news they were getting, it was really very bad for them. Whatever bad news they got from the bulletin board. He wondered what it was this time as he hurried off to school. So he wondered that what would be this time, what next news would be now, what bad news would be now, as he had to go to school. He hurried off to school, means he had to go reach to school very quickly because he was getting late. As a rule, when school began, there was a great commotion. Commotion means disturbance, which could be heard even in the street. So, as usual days, there was a great noise in the school, and that one can heard even in the street. It was the characteristic noise of opening and closing of desk, lessons repeated in chorus, or the teacher's ruler rapping on the table. So, what type of noise he used to hear? He used to hear the, the noise of closing and opening of desk. The children were just repeating their chapters in chorus, or the teachers just rapping their ruler on the table. So these were the noise which he used to hear. So what we read till now in this, that there was a boy named Franz, okay, and he was reluctant to go to school. Why? Because he has not learned the chapters, as it might be with you also, that when you are not prepared for the test, you don't want to go to school. So the same thing happened with Franz also, because he had not learned the chapter or the rules of participle. Okay, but he was very much afraid of his teacher M. Hamel, and he was more tempted towards the chirping of birds and the Prussian soldiers who were drilling. When he was crossing and when he was just in hurry to reach to school, at that time he saw a bulletin board, and from last 2 years whatever bad news they were getting, they all used to come from that bulletin board. So he was thinking that what would be now, what would be the next bad news, okay, but he didn't wait there, he just went to school. As usual, in every school, it's very common scene that there is a great noise or disturbance. So he uh, there was the great noise of opening and closing of desk, or the children were just repeating the chapters in chorus, or the teacher was just rapping the ruler on the table. So this was very usual thing.